champion for higher education and for labor, Senator Chris Van Hollen.
Are we going to shut down the illegal Elon Musk takeover of the government? You bet we are. We're going to fight this in the courts. We're going to fight this in the Congress, and there can be no business as usual in the Congress. And we're going to fight this in gatherings like this all over the country.
You know, every job that's lost, one less scientist who's fighting for cures, one less educator to teach the next generation, one less public servant keeping our food, keeping our environment, keeping us safe every day. Shame! Shame! Every dollar cut isn't just a shrink in the budget. It takes something from every single one of us. It's theft! Theft! It's theft from our health, our education, our security.
Yeah, I say healthcare, you say yeah, healthcare. Yeah, healthcare.
Yeah. And joining us now, also from Johns Hopkins.
These are the people who are fighting the viruses that threaten the American people. They're fighting the bird flu, which is starting to be out of control across the country. But fascism is a virus too. Okay? Fascism is a virus too. And the people who are out here fighting in sub-freezing temperatures, they are the antibodies. We are the antibodies. And my friends, a rally a day keeps the fascists away, okay?
All right, we here as workers, we're not just workers.
Consider the medications you rely on for diabetes, heart disease, or cancer. These were developed in large part due to NIH and NIH-funded researchers. Is destroying years of progress into research really serving the American people? No! We are here today to fight for the future of science, to fight for your family's future, to give the American people hope.
They want you to be angry and misinformed, incensed and ignorant. They want you, Trump and his unelected billionaire backers, want you to look at the people like us making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a year, working late nights through the weekends because we believe that much in the work that we do as the enemy. We need 2 and 3 roommates to keep doing the work that we do because we believe it's that important. Yeah. We are not the enemy.
Federal workers. And so now we will hear from leaders from some of our national federal unions. And first up we have...
You may not be able to tell by looking at me, but I have cerebral palsy. I am this healthy because of therapies developed in the U.S. that helped rewire my brain after a stroke, allowing me to live my fullest life. My experience inspired me to become a scientist at the NIH, where I have developed new therapies to improve the lives of other children with cerebral palsy, and help develop a new understanding of how the brain functions. Now, as a result of these cuts from the Trump administration, I am prevented from continuing this research, even as an unpaid volunteer. When I hear people say these cuts are making our government more efficient, I am at a loss. How can that be true when I am prevented from working for free?